YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this Play-Doh, this purple Play-Doh, into a really sandy, buttery slime. So, let's get into the video. Try to make this come out. It's really, it's very hard. So, ouch, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. This Play-Doh is really hard. It's hard a little bit. And I hate hard Play-Doh. So, Play-Doh. Just want to try to squish it. And wow, it really worked. And I'm just going to start poking it into an area to where I'm just going to put the little... Oh, yeah. You're going to also need some soap. Some lotion. It's cocoa butter I'm using. You can use any kind of lotion you want to, but I feel like what's best is the cocoa butter. So, yeah. You want to add, a little bit. And you're just going to start putting it together. And you want to pick it up and start playing with it. And if you add too much, literally, if you add too much lotion, it will start to get sticky and the color, it will start to wear out. So, yeah. And yeah, so it turned it. This slime is literally not hard no more. It's stretchier. I've literally just turned Play-Doh into slime, and I'm loving it. And it's not even really get stuck to my surface, to my slime table. If you just start dapping it on the table, you will really get the slime texture you want. And I'm really loving this one. So, and now you already know YouTube. It's time to do slime poking. And I'm just loving the slime poke, because when you poke the slime, it's like you're on a beach and you're just poking your hands into sand. This is so, I'm loving this so much. So yeah, and it's, like I said, it's not even really hard anymore. It's not hard anymore, period. So yeah, you guys, I just feel like YouTube would really like this recipe because it is a two ingredient slime, and it's literally cocoa butter and kids Play-Doh. But be sure that in your lotion it contains hold up, let me find it. Make sure in your lotion it contains this, the G0 Stericin. So yeah, but hope you guys like this video. By the way, thumbs up on this video, subscribe in the link down below. Oh yeah, also go follow ArmonAndTrey, PerfectLaughs, ChrisAndQueen. Their link will be in the description below. Hope you guys liked the video.